don't care what kind of bike you have, this is not the way to test if your bike has enough air. Before every ride, air up. If you don't know, ask somebody, buy a pump, something. This, yeah, it's good. No, that's not the way. The proper way to put air in your tires is with the inflation device, whether it be a pump, a CO2. Girl, if you're blowing that much hot air, even your mouth if you have to. Jesus Christ. All right, now flip it up. All right, is it flipped up? Because if you pump, you could be putting the air out.
No, it flips down.
It flips down?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Good. Your tires have on their label, if you don't know how much air to put, your tires usually tell you the inflation max amount. See it right there? It tells you the size and the inflation max amount. Just look on your tires, ladies and gentlemen. Where we, oh, you didn't have no air in the tire. None.
And I can't see this.
You can't see that?
No,
You can't see. Okay, this video needs to be, maybe another time we finish it.